This is going to be a video product review of the CocoBear forehead fever thermometer for adults and babies. This thermometer uses infrared technology. It is non-contact. It has a fever alarm. It has a silent mode. It will read in Fahrenheit or Celsius. It has a 32 memory recall. The thermometer comes with the batteries. It comes with a carrying case. It has manuals. It's very lightweight. It has a backlight on it. Normal will be green, low fever will be yellow, high fever will be red. So if you don't want to look at the number of the temperature, you can also look at the color of the display. You can use this in different modes. It has a forehead mode, so you can point it towards the forehead of the person. It has a room mode, so you can get a temperature of the room. It has a food mode, so you can point the thermometer towards food to get a temperature reading. A liquid mode, you can also do the same thing, point it towards the liquid to get a temperature reading. It uses high-tech infrared technology. On the side over here, we have a memory button, we have a set button, we have a mode button, and we have the trigger that you can press to get the temperature. So I'm going to open up the battery door over here, and I'm going to insert the batteries, and we're going to test this out. I will leave an affiliate link in the video description. Very easy for you to order this beautiful, lightweight, accurate thermometer from CocoBear. You want to look on the door over here. We have the plus on the right side, the minus on the left, so we want to insert it this way, and we want to insert the battery this way. Close the door. We can already hear it beeping, and that means that this is ready to work. We'll press the button. We're on low. Let's point this towards the hand. 97.3. I'm normally 97.1 to 97.3 in the morning. It's very accurate. You have your Fahrenheit. You have this display over there for the speaker. You can adjust all these settings with the switches on the side. Now, I said we have a 1 second reading. Ice is too cold for this to work at, but we're going to press this button. It shows low. Now I'm going to move this over to my hand. I'm going to press it again, and look how fast this comes back with the exact same reading as we saw before, 97.1, 97.3. Press the button again. It's showing the same reading each time. That's how you tell if you have a good thermometer. When they switch readings every time you take a sample, you know it is not a quality thermometer. 97.2, that's held. Now let's go back over to the ice again. We're going to get a low reading. We go back over to the hand. 97.2. You can purchase this CocoBear forehead fever thermometer for baby, children, adults by clicking on the affiliate link in the video description. Make sure you purchase this so that you have it during flu and fever season.